Assalamu alaikum. My dear students of class 3, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Deshit. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 3. And today our topic is FB, it means fill in the blanks plus matching from chapter 1 exercise. Students, just keep it clear. FB, it means fill in the blanks, and matching, there is another item from chapter 1 exercise. And you will get this in your book, page number 12, from here, page number 12, FB and matching. Page number 12. Students, we didn't discuss about the MCQ in your book, page number 11, because this is the out of short syllabus. Page number 11, there are many of the MCQ. We will not do that because this is the out of short syllabus. Already you got that. So we will not follow that. We will do from page number 12, fill in the blanks and matching. And today our lecture number 4 and HW number 3. Okay, let's start. I picked up from your book same sentences. First one is in your book, fill in the blanks. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last dash. You can write last Nabi, N-A-B-I, Nabi, or Rasul, R-A-S-U-L. So Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last Nabi or Rasul. Anyone you can write. Then number B, dash means cherisher. Rabb, R-A-B-B, Rabb. Rabb means cherisher. This is the attributive names of Almighty Allah. Already we discussed in previous classes. Now number C, akhirat means dash. Akhirat means hereafter. H-E-R-E, here, A-F-T-E-R. This is full word. Students, one word, hereafter. I mean the next life. I mean the life after death. So akhirat means hereafter. Now D, the Quran Majid is Asmani dash. It's very easy. Asmani Kitab. K-I-T-A-B. Asmani Kitab. Kitab means book. For the honor of religion book, that's why we will use the Kitab. Kitab is an Arabic word. So this is Asmani Kitab. Then number E, fill in the blanks, last number. Dash has no partner. Who has no partner? Allah. You know the answer. Allah. A-double-L-A-H. Allah. Allah has no partner. So it was the fill in the blanks answer. Now we will do the matching. Students, I just picked up here same as from your book. This is left side, you will get in your book, and this is the right side. You will get this type of question in your question paper, left side and right side. So how you will write the answer? I have shown here answer of matching. So I will write the right side. A number rizq means. So rizq means you will find out from here. Rizq means food. So I will write here rizq means food. You can give here plus, or you can don't give, no problem at all. Now B, Rahman means, so B number, Rahman means what? Rahman means most merciful. Rahman means most merciful. M-O-S-T, most. M-E, Armar. C-I-F-U-L, merciful. So Rahman means most merciful. Now number C, in akhirat we. So in akhirat we shall believe. So C number, in akhirat we shall, S-H-E-L-L, shall, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. Now number D, Rasul means what? From here, Rasul means messenger. So D number, Rasul means messenger. Careful about the messenger spelling. MESSEN, messenger, messenger. Okay, last number, E number. For everything Allah is, only one is left, that is creator. So for everything Allah is creator. CREA, creator, creator. So I hope you understood the matching. A, rizq means food. B, Rahman means most merciful. C, in akhirat we shall believe. D, Rasul means messenger. And E, for everything Allah is creator. Now keep concentration to the HW. Your HW number 3 topic is FB A to E. Students, keep attention here. Only this item, fill in the blanks, A, B, C, D, E, same as you will pick up in your HW copy. Don't write only answer. You have to pick up full sentence. When you will do the HW as the fill in the blanks, you have to pick up the full sentence from A, B, C, D, E. I hope you understood. And if you don't understand, there is my mobile number. You can call me or you can ask me in the live class. And submit your HW copy every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. That's all for today, my dear students. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents. See you next class inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.